my tram will come now. See the beautiful restaurant here, tacos and all they're selling. See the beautiful houses, mountains, trees, green color hills. So my train will come at tram will come at any time now. There is announcement. It will not stop more time here. See Appenzell. These are Appenzell. Appenzell is a sub-organization within Swiss Railways. Yeah, my train is coming. I just record my tram. It's coming now on the platform. It's going to Gossau. I have to change train at Gossau, take a train to Zurich. Going to Gossau. See the color of the seats. Beautiful. Excellent train. I got down from this train. So now I have train at 5:44 from platform 4. Now the time is 5:30, almost 5:35. But train is 3 minutes late, so it is fine. I can go. This is Appenzeller Bahanen. So it ends here. So I have to take now IR train, so interregional train to Zurich, HB Hauptbahnhof. This is going back to Wasserrunen. So now I have to go to platform 4. You can sit down, right? That's it. Very easy, very convenient. I can see the platform number in the app, SBB app. So and also timings. So this is the tunnels. Like this, in every Switzerland train station, tunnels will be like this. Just we have to see the platform. This is the one I have to take IR 13 at 17:44 via Flaville, Uzwil, Winterthur, Zurich, Lagaf and Zurich Airport. So it is 3 minutes late and platform 4. So this is platform 4. Train to Zurich is coming. So it will take almost an hour to reach Zurich. You can see Zurich after Bahnhof. This is IR 13. IR means interregional. But it's again same double-decker train. Excellent IC train. But it's not IC. IC means intercity. It's fast. Less stops. But it's IR. More stops compared to IC. But this is my favorite train. I have taken to go to Zurich. This is upper deck. Always prefer. Zurich Corelicon, suburbs of Zurich. This is the last stop before Zurich main station. So Zurich main station is coming off the Bahnhof. I have arrived in Zurich and it is now at 6:52 p.m. So almost like spent in the trains like 6 to 7 hours. So మీరు ఛానల్ ఇంకా సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.